Hi, Joy of Cooking students. This is one of those assignments that I felt like it was easier to kind of talk you through the directions rather than write it down. So on this worksheet, I call it fallen phrases because what I want you to imagine is like these little white boxes are missing their letters and they've all fallen down below. So yes, these will form words that will form a sentence, but instead of kind of reading horizontally, we need to solve them by looking vertically. So let me go through kind of the first one and get you started and give you some hints on the others as well. So in this first column, we have 3 empty white boxes. We have 3 letters down below. So you've got to kind of figure out which letter goes in which box. So I'll give that to you because otherwise you wouldn't know. So it just so happens that this is B, so fill that one in. This one is F, and this is C. Now it doesn't always work out that they're in this order. It's a good habit to cross them off down below as you use them, because later on by elimination, that will help you solve the puzzle. Now this next column is pretty easy. Our only choices are O's. So the second letters all have to be O's. And again, good habit, cross them off down below. So at this point, I'm maybe not sure what the next letters are. So I'm going to look out over here, and I know my choices are H or A. So some word / letter on its own can't be H. This has to be A. So that means this has to be the H. Now I'm going to kind of look back. So in front of the H, I have a D or a T. Well, a word doesn't end in DH. It's got to be TH. So if the T goes here, that means the D goes here. Something to consider as well, these are all sentences about soups, stews, and sauces. So you want to kind of look for vocab words. Can you think of a vocab word that starts B-O? Look at the letters you have available to you. As you fill them in, cross them off down below. So that's how you would tackle that first puzzle. And at the end of the sentence, there's a period, so no letter goes in that box. Let me give you some hints so you can get started on the other 3 puzzles as well. So here's the first puzzle. I gave you the first 2 columns. We worked a little bit on this side. So it just happens again that these letters are in order. This is A, S, and then S. And I'll tell you as well that this second letter is an O, and this one is an H. So if this word is S-O, again, think about our chapter. What could be a 4-letter word that goes here? See if having that to start helps you. On the back, most students find this to be an easier puzzle. Note there is a comma kind of mid-sentence, and these letters go T, R, and S. T, R, and S. So again, think if this is a T at the top, what could this box be? Could it be T-E, T-O, T-F, or T-I? It's got to form a word. Think logical words. Think about vocab words as well throughout. This is one of the harder ones. I'll tell you the first word starts with a T. These words over here, this is an M. This is an L. And let me give you one more clue. This is an I. And I'll give you this one as a D. So again, we had T here. This is M, I. This is L. And down here, this word starts with a D. So having those clues and starter letters, see if you can't solve the 4 puzzles. Again, think soups, sauces, stews, vocab words, definitions. Even use your returned vocab words and definitions to maybe help you out. You should see some commonalities between what you copied down and what's in the puzzles. Take your time if you need any help. The substitute does have my answer key. She can give you some clues, and good luck.